If you struggle to express yourself in English, think of an onion. Just like peeling an onion, there are 5 layers to build your confidence in spoken English. Layer 1, your thoughts. Consume quality English content daily, like motivational YouTube videos or books. Spend 10 minutes writing a journal to clarify your thoughts. Layer 2, the words. Express your thoughts with simple, everyday words like sleep, run, and eat. Layer 3, the sentences. Understand basic tenses and auxiliary verbs to form coherent sentences. Layer 4, the energy. Speak with emotion and use voice modulation techniques to add weight to your words. Layer 5, the body language. Match your expressions and movements to your words for a lasting impact. If you're still here, you want to be a confident English speaker. Instead of jumping to another video, take action for the next 30 days. You don't need more motivation, just act on what you've learned here. Comment useful if you found these steps helpful. We at Odias Digital Coaches Hub are on a mission to help Odias improve their communication skills for better jobs. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. And don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs it.